How to fix Disney Plus error code 35. Here are some tips that would help fix Disney Plus error code 35. 1. Check if you ran into some internal system issue with Disney Plus. 2. Ensure the title you wanted to view is still available in your existing location. Contact Disney Plus customer support team for more help. 3. Check if you are using any active VPN connection or proxy server. If so, disconnect your device from such an item. 4. Log out and back into Disney Plus later, 30 minutes, or longer. 5. Shut down and rerun the Disney Plus app later.